Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can forget a Wi-Fi network on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top and open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon at the top. Next, tap on Connections and then tap on Wi-Fi. And then tap on the settings icon right next to your Wi-Fi router. And at the bottom here, tap on Forget. And that's it. We have now forget that Wi-Fi network. If you want to reconnect to that Wi-Fi network, you will have to re-enter a new password. Now this is quite useful if you have changed the password on your Wi-Fi router and now you need to have your phone reconnect to that Wi-Fi router, and in order for you to do that, you need to first delete your current Wi-Fi connection and then reconnect it with a new password. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.